Hello, my name's Kaylin Huntrass. I'm the Director of Virtual Training for eSpeakers, and I'm glad you've decided to join us as a member. eSpeakers has been in business for more than 20 years, helping professionals grow their business and maximize their exposure. Our members include professional speakers, managers, leaders, and teachers, anyone who leverages the power of the spoken word. We also help meeting planners and conference organizers find talent for their stages, and I'm going to show you how to get found by them in the eSpeakers marketplace. When you go to eSpeakers.com, you can go to Sign in the upper right-hand corner. And when you sign into your account, there's a lot of different options in here. What I want you to focus on first in this menu on the left-hand side is My Profile. Setting up your profile is the first step to leveraging eSpeakers to grow your speaking business. Now, after showing you how to use the profile, I'll also show you how to use eSpeakers for your marketing, for managing your calendar, for promoting your virtual presence, and how to use the speaker marketplace to find new leads. Anytime you see this icon, you can click on it to open a short video where I'll demonstrate step-by-step how to use eSpeakers. My name's Kaylin Huntrass, and I look forward to helping you grow your business with eSpeakers.